What even am I doing? Hello, I'm Maya, and I've been into these things like Kinder Eggs, but since they're illegal in America, they have Kinder Joys, and they also have things like these. They are themed, and I just got a bunch of them. I don't know why. I'm an impulse buyer. I'm also a hoarder. So today I'm going to be opening some of these. I want to mention that these are probably not good anymore. I got these like a year ago. So first we're going to be doing all different themes and stuff. Like I have Star Wars, I have Dory themed, and I have Frozen. I think I'm gonna go with Dory first. Oh my god. Ooh. So the inside looks like this. This is the chocolate and that's the toy you get with it. So here's the chocolate. It's falling apart. It's not even an egg anymore. I'm gonna try it, even though it's like a year old. I don't see an expiration date, so I think we Gucci. I mean, it's chocolate. It tastes cheap, but it doesn't taste bad. This is the wrapper. And then let's see the prize. We got Hank. Now we're gonna put them together. Wow, it's really hard. Whoop how. And then we just put Hank on this thing. Ta-da! I finally did it after like a million years, but this is the finished product. Now I'm gonna open the other one. This one is in much better condition. It looks so beautiful. Oh, bingo. Came with the paper, and then it came with Dory. This is what it looks like. You have to taste the egg, because you know. Next, we're going to open Star Wars. This is the inside. Instead of the blue one for Dory, it's black. So we have the black Star Wars egg. So let's try the egg. That one tasted bad. Woo! We got R2-D2, guys. Woo! Got another R2-D2, but it's all good. They're gonna be friends. They're gonna chill. Okay, last we have the Frozen themed chocolate eggs, and then bam! Woo! Ooh! This is a light blue theme. So here's the egg. Looks like that. This one tasted the best. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. So I got Elsa. We're just gonna put her together. Oh my god, that's adorable. I have one egg left. I haven't opened it yet. I know it tastes bad, so I'm just going to crush it. So why not? Go. Oh. Well, whatever. Make sure you subscribe and all that fun stuff, you know. Yeah. So, bye.